Racing ahead, understanding and using the phrase in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, racing ahead. This phrase is not only common in everyday English, but it's also rich in meaning and usage. So, whether you're a language enthusiast or someone looking to polish your English skills, this video is for you. At its core, racing ahead is a metaphorical phrase. It originates from the literal act of racing, where someone moves swiftly and often takes a leading position in a race. However, when used metaphorically, it means to progress very quickly in any aspect, be it a personal skill, a project, or even a business. It implies not just quick progress, but also gaining an advantage or moving forward more rapidly than others. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. In business, our company is racing ahead in the technology sector, outperforming our competitors. In personal development, she's racing ahead in her piano lessons, mastering complex pieces in a short time. In academic settings, the research team is racing ahead with their groundbreaking study. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied in different contexts. Here are some tips to use this phrase effectively. 1. Context is key. Ensure the situation implies rapid progress or advancement. 2. Combine with descriptive words. Use adjectives or adverbs for emphasis, like really racing ahead or racing ahead swiftly. 3. Use in positive scenarios. This phrase is typically used in positive contexts, reflecting success or advancement. Racing ahead is a dynamic and expressive phrase that can add vibrancy to your English communication. Whether you're discussing business, personal achievements, or academic progress, this phrase can effectively convey the idea of rapid and successful advancement. We hope this video helps you understand and use racing ahead in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be racing ahead in your English language journey. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.